Imagine if just 3 companies could transform your financial future. Sounds bold, but in today's world, the right investments can create generational wealth. Today, I'm revealing 3 stocks that are fundamentally reshaping our world, and their growth stories are just beginning. We'll break down a global e-commerce and cloud leader, a fintech powerhouse digitizing an entire continent, and a public safety tech giant revolutionizing community protection. These companies have unique moats and massive growth runways. We're diving deep into the fundamentals, innovation, and long-term vision that make these stocks potential game changers. Hit the like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. First up is Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. Yes, it's massive, but its growth story is far from over. Despite being one of the world's largest companies, Amazon continues to find new ways to expand, innovate, and disrupt entire industries. It's a company that's never content to rest on its laurels, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible in technology, retail, and beyond. Amazon isn't just an online store. Its e-commerce dominance is expanding into new markets like India and Southeast Asia, powered by a logistics network and the sticky Prime ecosystem. In these fast-growing regions, Amazon is investing billions to build out infrastructure, create jobs, and bring millions of new customers into its ecosystem. The company's ability to adapt its model to local markets, offering region-specific products, payment options, and delivery solutions, gives it a huge edge over competitors. Prime isn't just about fast shipping, it's a bundle of services that keeps customers coming back, making Amazon the default choice for millions. With Prime, you get access to exclusive deals, streaming video and music, free ebooks, and more. This all-in-one membership creates incredible customer loyalty and drives repeat purchases, making it harder for rivals to lure shoppers away. The more value Amazon packs into Prime, the more indispensable it becomes in people's daily lives. But the real engine, Amazon Web Services, or AWS, it's the backbone of the internet, powering everything from startups to Fortune 500 companies. AWS provides the cloud infrastructure that enables businesses to scale rapidly, launch new products, and handle massive amounts of data. It's not just a side business, it's a global leader in cloud computing, with a market share that dwarfs most competitors. AWS is a high-margin, recurring revenue juggernaut, and with the explosion of AI and big data, demand is only accelerating. As more companies shift their operations to the cloud and leverage artificial intelligence, AWS stands to benefit enormously. Its suite of AI and machine learning tools is helping businesses innovate faster, while its global network of data centers ensures reliability and security at scale. This is a business with decades of growth ahead. Amazon's advertising business is another hidden gem. Brands pay billions to reach shoppers right at the point of purchase. Unlike traditional ads, Amazon's platform lets brands target customers who are already in a buying mindset, making these ads incredibly effective. This fast-growing segment is now one of Amazon's most profitable, and it's still in the early innings. As more brands shift their ad budgets online, Amazon's ad revenue is poised to soar. And Amazon never stops innovating. Healthcare, physical retail, satellite internet, each new venture could be a game changer. The company is experimenting with cashierless stores, telehealth services, prescription delivery, and even launching satellites to provide global internet access. These bets may seem risky, but Amazon's track record of turning bold ideas into billion-dollar businesses is unmatched. Every new initiative is a potential pillar of future growth. When you invest in Amazon, you're buying into e-commerce, cloud, advertising, logistics, and a relentless innovation machine. Few companies have such a diversified set of growth engines, each reinforcing the others. Amazon's scale allows it to invest heavily in automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence, driving efficiency and opening up new opportunities across its businesses. The company's long-term mindset, it's always day one, drives continuous reinvestment and disruption. This philosophy means Amazon approaches every day as if it's just getting started, never becoming complacent. It's a culture that encourages experimentation, learning from failure, and constantly seeking new ways to serve customers better. Even with leadership changes, Amazon's culture and vision remain rock solid. The transition from Jeff Bezos to Andy Jassy has been smooth, with a continued focus on innovation, customer obsession, and long-term thinking. The leadership team is deeply experienced and committed to driving Amazon's next phase of growth. Yes, there are risks, regulatory scrutiny, and tough competition, but Amazon's scale, brand, and network effects are powerful moats. Regulators are watching big tech more closely, and rivals are always trying to catch up. But Amazon's entrenched position and ability to adapt give it a strong defense. Its logistics network, data capabilities, and customer trust are not easily replicated. The more customers and sellers join, the stronger the platform becomes. Same with AWS and its developer ecosystem. This creates a virtuous cycle. More buyers attract more sellers, which leads to more selection and better prices. drawing in even more customers. On the cloud side, a growing developer community means more innovation and stickier services. Amazon stands tall with a massive market cap of $2.37 trillion. The company reports earnings per share of $6.28, paired with a price-to-earnings ratio of 35.57. Over the past year, Amazon generated a staggering $637.96 billion in revenue, with a net income of $59.25 billion. These numbers clearly highlight Amazon's dominance, not just in online retail, but also in cloud computing and digital services. Don't let the big market cap fool you. Amazon's total addressable market is in the trillions, and it only needs a slice to keep growing. From groceries to streaming, from cloud computing to healthcare, Amazon is tapping into some of the world's largest and fastest-growing industries. There's still plenty of runway ahead. This isn't a quick flip stock, it's a long-term compounder. Amazon's ability to reinvest profits into new ventures and technologies means your investment can grow for years, even decades. Patience is key, but the rewards can be extraordinary. Hold it, let the growth engines work, and you're betting on the future of the digital economy. As technology continues to reshape how we live, shop, and work, Amazon is positioned at the center of this transformation, ready to capture value wherever it emerges. For any modern portfolio, Amazon is a foundational pick. Its resilience, adaptability, and sheer scale make it a core holding for investors who want exposure to the future of commerce, technology, and innovation. Its best days are likely still ahead, with new markets and innovations on the horizon. From drone deliveries to global expansion, Amazon is always looking for the next big thing, and its track record suggests it will find it. That's why Amazon is my first life-changing stock. It's a company that rewards patience, vision, and a belief in the power of innovation. Before we move on, a quick note. This video is sponsored by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks, but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. Now let's head to Latin America for our next pick, where another exciting opportunity awaits. Next, we're heading to Latin America for a company that's more than just the Amazon of the South. MercadoLibre, or MELI for short, is a true homegrown giant that has redefined what it means to do business in one of the world's most dynamic and challenging regions. While many outsiders see it as a simple copycat of Amazon, the reality is far more impressive. MercadoLibre has become a lifeline for millions, building a digital ecosystem that's uniquely tailored to the needs and realities of Latin America. MercadoLibre, ticker MELI, dominates e-commerce and fintech across 18 countries, serving over 650 million people. That's nearly twice the population of the United States, spread across a vast and diverse continent. From bustling megacities like Sao Paulo and Buenos Aires to remote rural towns, MercadoLibre's reach is everywhere. Its platform connects buyers and sellers, urban and rural, rich and poor, in ways that simply weren't possible before. They didn't just copy Amazon, they built solutions for Latin America's unique challenges: unreliable logistics, a huge unbanked population, and low trust in online transactions. In many places, basic infrastructure is lacking and traditional banks are out of reach for millions. MercadoLibre saw these obstacles not as barriers, but as opportunities to innovate and serve people who had been left out of the digital revolution. Their marketplace is the go-to for online shopping, but the real magic is in the ecosystem: logistics, payments, and financial services, all under one roof. This isn't just a website to buy things, it's a platform that empowers entrepreneurs, small businesses, and everyday consumers to participate in the modern economy. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or shopping for electronics, MercadoLibre makes it possible. Mercado Envios, their logistics arm, solves delivery challenges with their own network, faster, cheaper, and more reliable than local alternatives. In regions where postal services are slow or unreliable, Mercado Envios steps in with a fleet of vans, motorcycles, and strategically located warehouses. They've built a logistics backbone that rivals anything in the developed world, ensuring that packages arrive safely and on time, even in hard-to-reach areas. The crown jewel? Mercado Pago, their fintech platform. It started as a payment tool but now offers digital wallets, bill pay, credit, and even investment products. For many users, Mercado Pago is their first experience with digital finance. It's a gateway to a world of financial services that were previously out of reach, helping people save, invest, and manage their money with just a few taps on their phone. For millions, Mercado Pago is their first step into the digital economy. Think PayPal, Venmo, and Square combined. But it's more than just a payment app, it's a financial lifeline. People use it to pay for groceries, send money to family, pay utility bills, and even access credit. In a region where cash has long been king, Mercado Pago is changing habits and opening doors to new possibilities. The synergy is powerful. The marketplace drives payment adoption, and the payment platform keeps users loyal to the marketplace. This creates a virtuous cycle. The more people shop, the more they use Mercado Pago, and the more they use Mercado Pago, the more they shop. It's a self-reinforcing ecosystem that's incredibly hard for competitors to break into. They're also using data to offer loans and investment products, building a full-service digital bank for an underserved population. By analyzing transaction histories and payment patterns, MercadoLibre can extend credit to people and businesses who would never qualify for a traditional bank loan. This not only fuels economic growth but also deepens customer loyalty, as users become more reliant on the platform for their financial needs. Growth is explosive. Both e-commerce and fintech volumes are up double digits year after year, and the market is still early in its digital transformation. Latin America's internet penetration and smartphone adoption are rising fast, but there's still massive room to grow. As more people come online and embrace digital commerce, MercadoLibre is perfectly positioned to capture that upside. Yes, the stock isn't cheap, but you're paying for quality and a dominant position in a market with trillions in potential. MercadoLibre's scale, brand recognition, and network effects make it a rare breed, a company with both high growth and a wide moat. For investors, it's a chance to own a piece of the infrastructure powering Latin America's digital future. Competition exists, but MercadoLibre's local expertise, infrastructure, and brand are tough to beat. Global giants like Amazon and regional players have tried to make inroads, but none have matched MercadoLibre's deep understanding of local markets or its ability to adapt quickly to changing conditions. Its first-mover advantage and relentless innovation keep it ahead of the pack. Risks like currency swings and political instability are real, but their diversification across 18 countries helps cushion the impact. By spreading operations across so many markets, MercadoLibre can offset downturns in one country with growth in another. It's not immune to volatility, but its scale and reach provide a level of resilience that few competitors can match. Led by visionary founder 𝗗𝗟𝗧, this team keeps innovating, expanding logistics, launching new fintech products, and deepening their moat. 𝗗𝗟𝗧's leadership has been instrumental in shaping MercadoLibre's culture of agility and customer focus. The company invests heavily in technology and talent, ensuring it stays ahead of trends and continues to set the pace for digital transformation in the region. MercadoLibre is the toll road for Latin America's digital economy. Every time someone shops, pays a bill, or sends money online, there's a good chance MercadoLibre is powering that transaction. It's become an essential part of daily life for millions, quietly collecting a fee as commerce flows through its network. As the middle class grows and more people come online, MercadoLibre stands to benefit the most. The digital transformation of Latin America is still in its early innings, and MercadoLibre is at the center of this massive shift. Every new smartphone user, every new online shopper, is a potential MercadoLibre customer. The company holds a market cap of $127.46 billion, with earnings per share of $40.65 and a price-to-earnings ratio of 61.85. In 2024, it brought in $20.78 billion in revenue and reported a net income of $1.91 billion. MercadoLibre continues to expand its footprint across Latin America, cementing itself as a leader in e-commerce and digital payments in the region. For long-term investors willing to ride out some volatility, MELI is a rare chance to own a platform changing how millions live, shop, and manage money. It's not just about profits, it's about empowering people, driving financial inclusion, and shaping the future of commerce in a region full of potential. That's why MercadoLibre is my second life-changing stock pick. It's a company with vision, execution, and a mission that goes beyond business, transforming lives and economies across Latin America. Now let's shift gears to a company transforming public safety. Our third pick is Axon Enterprise, ticker AXON, a company at the forefront of digitizing public safety and transforming the justice system for the modern era. Axon's mission is bold, to make the world a safer place through technology, and they're executing on it in ways that are reshaping how law enforcement, first responders, and entire communities operate. You might know them for the taser, the iconic non-lethal weapon that's become standard issue for police forces around the world. But that's just the entry point into a much larger vision. The taser put Axon on the map, but it's only the beginning of their story. The real story is their rapidly expanding ecosystem. Body cameras that capture every critical moment, cloud-based software that organizes and secures digital evidence, and a suite of tools that streamline everything from incident reporting to courtroom presentation. Axon is building the digital backbone for public safety agencies. Axon's body cameras seamlessly pair with evidence.com, their secure, cloud-based platform where all video and digital evidence is stored, managed, and shared. This platform allows officers, attorneys, and even the public to access evidence quickly and securely, improving transparency and accountability at every step. This software-as-a-service model creates high-margin recurring revenue for Axon, and it also builds massive switching costs for their customers. Once a department is integrated into Axon's ecosystem, with years of digital evidence and workflows built in, it's nearly impossible to leave without major disruption. Axon's net revenue retention is over 120%, which means not only do customers stick around, but they actually spend more each year as they adopt new products and expand usage. This is a sign of a business with deep customer loyalty and a product suite that keeps getting better. They're building a complete operating system for public safety, integrating dispatch, records management, and seamless workflows that connect the 911 call all the way to the courtroom. This end-to-end approach is revolutionizing how agencies operate, making them more efficient and effective. Every new product Axon launches, whether it's a new camera, a software upgrade, or an analytics tool, makes the ecosystem even stickier and more valuable. Departments find themselves relying on Axon for more and more of their daily operations. Their total addressable market is enormous. Axon is just getting started with international expansion, bringing their technology to police forces around the globe, and they're moving into new verticals like fire departments and EMS, where digital evidence and real-time communication are just as critical. Financially, Axon is a powerhouse. They combine rapid growth with strong profitability and a rock-solid balance sheet. Their high-margin software business drives consistent cash flow, giving them the resources to keep innovating and expanding. Founder Rick Smith's mission to protect life and obsolete the bullet isn't just a slogan, it's a rallying cry that attracts top talent and resonates deeply with customers and communities. His vision has shaped Axon's culture and long-term strategy. Axon operates in a non-cyclical, government-funded market. Police and public safety budgets are stable, even in tough economic times, providing a level of downside protection that's rare in the tech world. While competition exists, Axon's integrated, user-friendly platform and relentless pace of innovation keep them well ahead of the pack. Their products are designed with direct input from officers and agencies, ensuring they solve real-world problems better than anyone else. The long sales cycle for government contracts can be a challenge, but Axon's specialized sales force knows how to navigate the complex world of public procurement. Their relationships and reputation open doors that competitors struggle to access. Axon is a near monopoly in a critical, recession-resistant industry. Their products are mission-critical, and their market share continues to grow as more agencies standardize on their platform. They're not just selling hardware, they're building a mission-critical software platform with powerful network effects. As more agencies join, the value of the network increases for everyone, enabling faster investigations and better outcomes. The more agencies that connect to Axon's platform, the more valuable it becomes. Evidence can be shared instantly across jurisdictions, and best practices can be adopted nationwide, making communities safer and justice more efficient. As Axon adds more products and services, their competitive moat only grows deeper. Their ecosystem becomes the default choice for agencies looking to modernize and future-proof their operations. Axon currently has a market cap of $61.16 billion. It reports earnings per share of $4.34, but its price-to-earnings ratio is notably high at 183.29, reflecting strong growth expectations from investors. In 2024, Axon generated $2.08 billion in revenue, with a net income of $377.03 million. Known for its body cameras and taser devices, Axon continues to grow rapidly as demand for its products and cloud-based services increases. Investing in Axon is a bet on the inevitable digitization of public safety. As society demands more transparency, accountability, and efficiency from law enforcement, Axon is uniquely positioned to deliver the tools and infrastructure needed for the next generation of public safety. It's a company with a visionary leader, a powerful mission, and decades of predictable, high-margin growth ahead. Axon's relentless innovation and commitment to public good make it a standout in both technology and impact. For all these reasons, Axon Enterprise is my third life-changing stock pick, and one I believe will shape the future of public safety for years to come. There you have it. 3 companies with dominant positions and massive growth potential: Amazon, MercadoLibre, and Axon Enterprise. These aren't just stocks, they're investments in the trends shaping our future. Want to learn how to analyze and value companies like these? Check out my Value Stocks Investing Master Course. Link in the description. For exclusive stock tips and in-depth analysis, join the Stocks Galore Patreon community. Details below. Which of these stocks excites you most, or is there another life-changing pick on your radar? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take control of your financial future today.